Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hi Judy. Welcome back to the show. I have a question for you today. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin and digital money, but what is it exactly?
Oh, hi John. That is a very popular topic. Well, think of cryptocurrency like magic internet money. It is not like the coins in your pocket. You cannot touch it.
I see. So it is just a number on a screen, like the money in my bank account?
It is a bit different. You see, when you use a bank, the bank knows everything. But with cryptocurrency, there is no big boss or big bank. It lives on thousands of computers at the same time.
Wow, that sounds complicated. Is it safe? If there is no bank, who looks after my money?
Well, it uses something called a digital wallet. You have a special key. It is like a very long password. Only you know this key. If you keep the key safe, your money is safe.
Oh. But what if I lose my password? Can I call someone for help?
Sadly, no. If you lose your key, the money is gone. That is why people say you must be very careful.
That is a bit scary. Why do people want it then?
Good question. Many people think it is the future of money. They think it is like digital gold. Gold is valuable because there is not much of it. Bitcoin is the same. There is only a limited amount.
Oh, I get it now. So people buy it and wait for the price to go up?
Exactly. Some people use it to buy things online, but many people just keep it as an investment.
Can I buy a coffee with it?
Well, not everywhere yet. Some big shops in the world accept it, but for most small shops, it is still too new.
I see. I heard the price changes a lot. One day it is high, and the next day it is low.
Yes, you are right. It is very jumpy. We call that volatility. For a beginner, it is better to learn first and not put too much money in.
That is a good point. So, I need a digital wallet first?
Yes, you can download an app on your phone. It is very easy to start. You can even buy a tiny piece of a Bitcoin. You do not need to buy one whole coin.
Oh, I did not know that. I thought I needed tens of thousands of dollars.
No. You can start with just $10 if you want. It is a good way to learn how the system works.
Wow, that makes me feel better. Maybe I will look at some apps tonight.
Just remember, John, keep your passwords safe. Do not tell anyone.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.